Thanks, Christina. Well, you hear words like battlefield, war, soldier all the time used in sports. For the most part, gross exaggerations. But for one guy, Colts linebacker Josh McNary, he had to take those words literally as a member of the United States Army.
I was a fire direction officer, so it's in the field artillery, shoot like 155 millimeter cannons. So
that actually kind of sounds like fun.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun, definitely.
Now, McNary has spent the past 2 years at Fort Hood, and in that time, he hasn't played it down to football, so obviously a couple of cobwebs to dust off.
You know, there's a few particulars, a few skill sets that you kind of have to, you know, knock the rust off of, like hand placement and, you know, some of the, you know, finesse moves and stuff that you would use.
And because of a little bit of a paperwork snafu, the 25-year-old just couldn't get to camp on time. He arrived in Anderson yesterday, and when he got there, actually got the chance to speak with the team.
What was your message to the team yesterday when you talked to them?
My message was, hi everybody, I'm Josh, and I've been away for the last 2 years, you know, in the Army and stuff, but I mean, pretty much just an introduction and you know, telling them where I've been and, you know, where I'm from and everything, and then Coach kind of took it from there.
And I'll tell you, folks, you got to be pulling for Josh McNary to make this Colts squad, I'll tell you. Now, he's already served his 2-year commitment with the Army. For the next 6 years, he'll be an Army Reserve, and he told me if he does make the team, it really won't affect his workload with the Colts. Well, that's going to wrap it up here from down in Anderson, day 4 of Colts training camp. I'm Randy Zemnick, WFFT, local news first at 10. Let's send it back off to Christina.